very hopeful. I mean, for me, I usually look at improvements in our facilities from the perspective of where we're coming from. This structure was not here before. We had a structure that was not as, that was not this good before. So we're happy that we're making progress. We appreciate the improvements that have been made in the airport infrastructure. What we're trying to do is to really show them what we've got based on the specific requests that they have made. And then at the end of it, the tour, they will make a decision. That decision hopefully will be announced in the coming weeks. So I cannot preempt them, but I'm hopeful that since we'll have a lead time of 1 year to the time when this will take place, if it will take place, whatever shortcomings there might be, we'll have more than enough time to make amends